There, I'm at Rosevalley Lake. It's January 11th, I think. And I'm taking my new clam shanty for maiden voyage today. So we'll see how we're doing. If we can get down there and get on the ice without falling through. Once I get down the hill, we'll be all set. Made it through the roughest part. If I can find my rope. There it is. Hey. My rope was like a brake coming down the hill. Okay, we'll go out there and get set. They may not have gotten what they want for Christmas because somebody knocked the snowman right over. Humbug. The ice is from here to here. That's a good 12 inches. Got one flag in. Gonna be a bright sunny day, so I don't know how the fishing's gonna be. May not bite, or they may surprise you. It's a little cloudy, not clear blue skies. So tomorrow and Wednesday it's supposed to be cloudier. Tomorrow's probably going to be a Hills Creek Lake day. Then I probably take Wednesday off and not fish. And then Thursday or Friday's going to be back down here again. Until I hear of anybody catching fish on Beechwood Lake. I am probably going to stay away from that place for a little bit. They've got to have it stocked. I just been there bad days, I guess. I don't know. I just don't know. I want some trout is all I know. It's really the only fish I like to eat is trout. That I prefer to eat, I should say. I should get yelled at for having this big tag end hanging out there, but it sure didn't bother me the other day. I'll get my pliers and cut it off, if I can cut it with my pliers. We'll see. And I can. Somebody left a whole mess of line laying back here on the ice because it didn't pick nothing up. That makes me mad. I'm gonna put a big minnow on. Where's that bigger one? Yeah. This is pickerel bait extraordinaire right here. Be nice to catch. I didn't even catch a bass the other day. I always catch bass. I don't know. Guy behind me that caught a bass. One more tip up and we're officially for the day fishing, good or bad. Maybe they'll even let me get my shanty set up today before the flags go off. Or maybe they won't go off and I'll have all day to sit in the shanty and wonder. Well, I didn't change this hook yet. See, I still have a snap swivel on there. That's what broke the other day on that fish, was a snap swivel. The swivel actually broke. Come on, you lively little critter. These minnows aren't so lively when I buy them. But they love being in my aquarium. Air's turned on full. And we'll set these later, like I usually do. You know the routine by now. You've seen me set up a million of these. And look at this. I bought 2 new nets. Now if I don't get my hook stuck in one, I'm going to be happy. Okay, let's get Shanny set up and this way. Look at that, we're all in. Open some windows. Put my spreader bar in. She's a little frosty. What I think I want to do is move like that. I think I'll sit right about here. And then we'll open this door. This is the door I'll use. Maybe. Where am I? There. Maybe I'll just do it this way. I'm not sure yet. My first day on the job with this thing. Table. I'm sitting in the seat. Oh yeah, I can see. I can see. We're gonna go just like that. There. It's all set up. There we go. Thank you, Coco and Jojo. I remembered to bring my coffee mug so I didn't have to walk back to the truck this morning. Over and out. Got the flag already. I have to do this for Mom Ann. She says I'm praying when I'm down here. Like this. Hopefully my mini's good because I just didn't bring my mini button. Oh, he's very good. Yeah. Approach you. See how much fun you took. Oh, I only took like 18, 20 inches. Try it again. Well, that's my setup for the day. Big old fat perch. I'm going to lose him on the bottom of the hole, see? And he didn't swallow it. I'm so happy. Here we go again. This is the third time this flag's went off in a couple minutes. Going. Finally got you after how many minnows? Yeah, you ate 3. Come on. You eat 3 minnows. Nice fat perch. I can see such a wide view sitting in my seat with this clam. My Eskimo, the door is in the middle and there's sides. And I can see so far. If I have that door open, I can really watch my tip-ups. I'm impressed today. I've been first day out here with the clam and I'm pretty impressed. I like it. Another nice perch. Come on, perch. You always close your... Now they're starting to bite. Little bluegill. That's a baby bluegill. It's a baby gill. Settle down, Bill. Bluegill. I get so excited. There you go. There we go. There we go. There we go. A little bouncy. Yeah. We got a little bouncy. Don't know what he is, but he's, oh, a big old fat perch. I'm going to lose him on the bottom of the hole, see? Yeah. And he didn't swallow it. I'm so happy. Nice one. Taking it slowly. Come on, take some more. There's no perchy. Come on. They just keep swallowing. Ow! They're spiny. I wish I had some different pliers. But these things have been with me for 30 years. And they usually work. Oh, I didn't hurt you. Then you can go back. Goodbye. You're a little confused? And which way? Well, I got him, whatever he is. Hope it doesn't have a bullhead. They just lay there on the bottom. I don't know. It's a nice perchy. It's a nice perchy. Wants to be a pain in the butt. Why did perch always just close their mouth till they... Yeah. Boy, he's been eating. Holy cow. What have you been eating? Your whole mouth is just full of shit. Like goop. I can't even get I can't even see the hook. What? Did you? Your whole bladder, your whole guts are pulled out. I guess I just gotta cut the hook. I'm not gonna keep you because you don't look too good. I didn't destroy you, but your whole insides are hanging out of your mouth. And I didn't set the hook on you. Not turning. Nope. Nope. Yeah, he was on there, but he got off. He was laying there. He was laying there. He was on there when I started picking it up. My minnow's still good. Let's see what happens. There was some weight on it when I picked it up. Boy, he ran a long ways. The minnow is still alive. Well, try again. Hit it again. Just not biting. You're just not biting. They were hitting earlier. I caught 4, but it just died down, and I just missed one on a flag out there. That's the first flag for the last 45 minutes. Every once in a while I got some little guy playing around down here. It's nice out today. I don't have to have my heater on. Just relaxing. Trying this new power bait stuff here, but they're the little pellets, not the big ones. They're not doing anything. But I'm trying them for a while, just to see. But they are messy. I can't believe how much room I have in my shed. This is the first day I've used my new clam, and I love it. The only thing I'm not sure about is this. It just isn't very tight. I don't know. Yeah, up all the way. But I guess I didn't shovel out the snow underneath the sled here. It sat better over there where I had it a real level spot. Right here, my sled's kind of tipped this way a little, so that would make that looser. It's okay because the wind's not catching it or anything. Just sitting here taking taking it all in. And I'm pretty pleased with it. Haven't had the door shut yet. You can open all 3 doors actually, and boy, it'd be like more like an umbrella. I'm just kicking back, waiting for flags. The jigging hole isn't doing anything, and I've already moved one, so I don't know. I don't think I'll move again. I think I'll just wait until time to go home, and then tomorrow maybe. I'm not sure yet. I might go to Hills Creek Lake. I seen something very interesting on Marshall Outdoors yesterday. He had 3 minnows, live minnows, in one of these little hockey pucks in his pocket. And he'd go to his tip up and he would just get a minnow out of that. And it worked out pretty nice. I'd never seen that before. I might just try that sometime. Of course, Marshall Outdoors is a pretty cool cat anyway. So if you ever get to watch ice fishing videos, check him out. He's a pretty good fishing guy. I'm moving. Italian ice. Okay. See what things. Fishing wishes over here. I'm just dead sticking a minnow. Just like that. See my tip up? 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfectly. I can see it. How deep the shanty is. I used to drill in my hole. That's the knot. I really got to use my longer rods. Or more my shanty. Now we're fishing. How was the move, folks? Got a little bluegill. And one of those perch. Nice pressure. Now they're starting to bite. Yeah, they're starting to bite.